to share this with everyone. Sometimes cheap is not the best deal in town. And this is a good example of what happens when people decide to fix their own cars and they get on Amazon and they find really cheap parts. Now this gal, she wrecked her car and she thought, well, she looked on the internet and she found really cheap parts. So she ordered a bunch of parts for the car. The car's a total, we can't fix it. It blew the airbags out and everything else. But this is what happens when you buy free freight part. Now we're gonna open this up and show you. This right here is a part that she got. You wanna cut that open for me? She ordered this part because it was free freight and everybody else wanted so much money for shipping costs. Now don't scratch it now. We don't want to scratch her. We don't want to scratch a really brand new part here. So anyway, can any of you guess what this part is? Free freight, and it was cheap. It only cost like $55 or $60 for this part. Everybody else wanted $250 or $250, $300 a part. Plus, they also wanted another $75 to $100 freight to get it here. So she got online, and in her defense, she didn't know. This is the part they shipped her, and this is why cheap is not always good. Now, you might have guessed what part this is by now. They really wrapped that up there, didn't they? You can't hardly. Not gonna hurt it. Sharpen that knife myself.
Yeah, I can tell.
I like the ones with the serrated edges. Maybe you cut right down the middle there. Oh, there's tape right there. Right there, there's tape right there. That's what corner's getting you. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Don't cut yourself. Bit of tape right there. So what we have here, cut it right down the middle now maybe. What we have here is a front bumper, free shipping. Who knows where it came from. Aftermarket. You having trouble there?
Better knives here.
Okay. So cut that tape on the corner. It might make it a little bit better. So here we have a bumper. A bumper for there's the bumper for this car. And as you can see, you get what you pay for. So when you're ordering parts for a car and it says free shipping, you might want to consider why you pay $75 and $100 to get something. I mean, they just destroyed this bumper by folding it in half. You know, I could probably ship you a big screen TV for free if I took a sledgehammer and beat it into little pieces and put it into a box. So you get what you pay for, and that's what she got. She got a free shipping bumper that's worth absolutely nothing.